Hey guys, and welcome to another cleaning video. I'm doing this today for more cleaning motivation for you guys, so I hope this motivates you guys. Today I'm not feeling the best in this video, so I'm just wearing one of my husband's big t-shirts and just a pair of leggings. I actually wasn't even going to put on any makeup, but I did anyways, just so I can look a little bit more awake during the video. And don't mind the white marks on the shirt, it's just because of the conditioner in my hair when it was wet just from dripping and drying, so don't mind that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get some things cleaned up. I just needed to put a couple things away in the kitchen, clean up the living room a bit and my bedroom. Nothing major, just some quick cleaning, so I hope this helps you guys. Let's go. The cleaning product that I'm using is what I always use in my cleaning videos, which is just a window cleaner that has vinegar mixed in it, and I put some rubbing alcohol in it because I like vinegar and rubbing alcohol to clean with. And the window cleaner is really good on my countertops, glass, mirrors, and everything. So it's just like an overall cleaner for me. Not a lot of people would agree, but I think it's the best cleaning agent in my household. So this is what I'm using. I use it all over on any surfaces, even my fridge, stainless steel, anything. It works great. actually thinking about redoing my bedroom just so that it has more of like a cozy vibe, because right now I feel like it's so sterile because the carpet is white and then we have a white bedding, and then our DIY canopy bed is also white. So I might take down the canopy, add some curtains over the window, and just make it more cozy feeling in our bedroom. I just feel like it's so sterile. I want it to be somewhere where I can relax. I can relax in my bedroom, but you know, that cozy, warm feeling, I just want to add some more warmth and coziness to our bedroom. So I'm really excited to redo that when I can get to it. Gonna end the video just vacuuming my bedroom. I really hope that you guys enjoyed and that this gave you guys some motivation to get your house cleaned up, even if it's just a small little cleanup that you have to get done. Like me, myself, I just had to do the living room, kitchen, and my bedroom a little bit, the bathrooms and everything, and the other room that we have, our spare room, it was already cleaned up. So yeah, I hope this guys helped you guys get up and get some cleaning done in your household, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.